Deep in the tropics, the journey of the perfect papaya begins in these sprawling, sun-drenched orchards.
Harvesting is a precise art. The fruit must be picked at the exact moment of color break to ensure sweetness.
Because the skin is delicate, every papaya is handled by hand to prevent bruising that would ruin the flesh.
The immediate protection is vital. The corrosive sap is drained, and the fruit is swaddled for its journey. Once harvested, the race against the tropical heat begins to get the fruit to the cooling facility. Transport is rapid and shaded, ensuring the internal temperature of the fruit remains stable. At the processing hub, the transition from nature to industry happens in a matter of minutes. Precision starts at entry. Every batch is weighed and digitally tagged to ensure full traceability back to the specific tree. To prevent impact damage, the fruit is unloaded directly into a buoyancy tank, washing away field dust instantly.
Soft, rotating brushes remove the stubborn, sticky latex sap without scratching the delicate skin.
A precise hot water bath sterilizes the skin, extending shelf life and meeting strict global export quarantine standards.
Human eyes perform the final cosmetic check, ensuring only the most flawless fruit proceeds to processing.
Laser sensors sort the harvest by weight, grouping them for uniform ripening in the next stage.
Sorted and stacked, the fruit is moved to the most critical stage, the climate-controlled ripening chambers. Here, precise levels of temperature, humidity, and natural ethylene gas trigger the fruit's internal sweetening process.
Over 4 days, starches convert into sugars, and the skin turns the signature golden hue of a perfect papaya.
Only fruit that hits the target sugar level is cleared to enter the high-care production zone. Entering the sterile zone, the environment shifts from agricultural to clinical to ensure food safety.
A final cold shower removes any remaining ripening dust, prepping the skin for immediate removal.
Deep in the tropics, the journey of the perfect papaya begins in these sprawling, sun-drenched orchards.